but I do like having money so I can give and change people's lives.
Yeah.
And I don't have to commit a ton of time to it.
That's one of the best things about I think making money. I've said it for a long time now. I said the best part of making money is being able to give. Like I think there's, as good as it feels to make money, it feels way better to give it. Because I'm not saying you're giving away, all of it, you know what I mean? But like just to cover a meal for someone, or just to buy a coffee for someone behind you. I give sometimes on just Fridays, just because to me Fridays, I know, people who work in traditional jobs. I've been there, I've done it, and I understand sometimes at the end of the month, or just dragging your ass through work, all week, and maybe you're using the last bit of money you got to get that coffee because you realize, like, it's just been a tough week. Like, I mean, like it's worth it right now. You know what I mean? So something's to be said. Like, I love going, and I'll take care of the whole line behind me. I don't give a fuck how far back it goes at Dutch, because if you think about it, it won't cost you over $100 to take care of the whole line at Dutch.
Bro, I talked to a guy yesterday about this, and we try and do it in our companies, but giving your employees more money randomly when they're having a hard day. Because at this point, bro, $150 is nothing to you.
No, but a caller with great energy,
right? But like, let's say you're, and I don't know who, Los, shout out Los, shout out Lottie, shout out Roddy, shout out Josh Snow. These three are the people who are like leadership, and I've been talking to him about it. And Josh is a different level. He's like, oh, I'm gonna help my girl buy rolls for her mom because his employees make that much money, right?
Yeah.
But then Los is like, bro, my girl had a hard week, and she does this. I sent her $200, and I told her to go get drunk with her friends. You're working so hard.
That's awesome,
right? Man. But like, it's $200 to where now we're in a situation to where we can change their mood, their energy, show them that we care. Like, hey, I know you had a hard week. I know you've been pushing. On me. Go out, have a great time. Let's go. Come back in on Monday. We're gonna kick some ass.
Because why don't a lot of people do the thing like, should you go out and drink and but whatever it may be. But like, some people don't go do that stuff just because sometimes depending on where they are, their financial situations, they can have a shitty day, but they can't necessarily go do that because it just financially isn't responsible for them at that time, right? And so understand, like, it's not just the money to go have drinks, but like, just think about the weight that you've just taken off of someone to be able to go release and not have to stress off of what they're spending.
Right, well, bro, $200 can get you a nice dinner in Fresno.
100%.
Like, they can get you. You can go. You take out your girlfriend, take out your wife. Like, oh, you know what? Go have some fun. You're gonna go get an amazing dinner, just you two. Relax. Your boss actually cares about you, bro. It's a different mindset moving forward.
100%. Agreed.